good view. Scene looks good. So are you guys ready for the event?
We are ready.
All right, station, please begin the change of command ceremony.
Okay, Houston. I would like to thank all space agencies and Mission Control Center for the great help and support from the ground. Thanks to all my crewmates for your friendship. It has been a great time to work and a great pleasure to work and spend time together here as a big family on board in the space station. And right now I am leaving my second home, the space station, in Sanita's delicate hands. I am pass you the key to the International Space Station and some words in Russian. Я хочу сказать огромное спасибо всем специалистам Центров управления полетом, которые осуществляли нашу поддержку в течение всего года, ежедневно помогая нам выполнять текущие плановые задачи и решая наши возникающие проблемы. Спасибо огромное нашему дружному экипажу за совместную и передаю командование астронавту НАСА Саните Уильямс.
So I guess I get to say a couple words, so I appreciate it, Oleg. This Expedition 71 has taught all of us a lot about flexibility, the ability to adapt to a number of amazing things. A lot of things weren't planned, and somehow you guys put it all together and did it. It's pretty amazing, pretty impressive. You adopted Butch and I, even though that was not quite the plan, but here we are as part of the family. You welcomed Don, Alexei, and Ivan with open arms. And with your Soyuz crew and Crew 8, you have made this a great family. We appreciate it. Oleg, we'll miss your hundreds of stories around the dinner table. But I guess that's what you get for having over 1,000 days in space. You get those stories, right? Kolya, we're going to miss your precision, your professionalism, but I guess that's what you get when you sign up for your rookie flight as over a year in space. And Tracy, we're going to miss your desk and your organization and your ability to make order out of chaos, even in the craziest of times. So we thank you, all three of you, for that. So I'm going to try. Я хотела бы пожелать вам успехов, удачи и мягкой писаки. До встречи на Земле. Спасибо.
And Station Houston, thank you. We'll be resuming normal operational audio. 12 years and 7 days ago was the last time Sunny had the keys in her hand. Glad to have him back.